This project turned out so beautifully, and I used the inspiration layout from page 58 of Stampin' Up's annual catalog for this card. Now, I used the Gallery Blooms stamp set, which I'm stamping there with Night of Navy ink, and then I'm using several of our Stampin' Blends alcohol-based markers to color in this image. Now, I love using these markers because it makes you look like an artist. It just blends the colors so beautifully. And then I'm using the matching dies there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut out a frame as well as die cut out that image. See, look how beautiful that is. So now we're going to build up the card. So I'm using the cloud cover. That's the color of the card. And then this beautiful new sunflower embossing folder is just fantastic. And you're going to want to grab it before it goes out of stock. I love it. So I'm just dressing up the frame there a little bit with some simple tone on tone stamping. And then I'm pulling in another set here for the sentiment because the Gallery Blooms doesn't have any words with that. So I'm using the mixed labels stamp set to emboss, heat emboss a sentiment. And you just can't resist that gold finish when you heat emboss. Now I'm going to make a really big sloppy bow here, and it's just going to look really pretty when it spills out from underneath the sentiment. I just love the way that that looked. And then to pull in the rest of the gold, I'm using some gems that have some gold shimmer in them, and it just tied it together perfectly. So go to madetocreatewithlisa.com. You can look for the Gallery Floral project, and you will see all of the details and the links so that you can grab all of these wonderful products.